This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Solomon. 55-plus community. Nice size, spacious with open floor plan, kitchen wall had been removed. Upgraded full bath with glassed in shower. Unfurnished, pics show example of furnished from prior tenant. Quick association approval, less than 2 weeks, if needed. Easy walk up to second floor, center condo. No elevator. Gas stove with electric as well. 2-wall AC units keep this condo nice and comfortable living room unit new 2026. For association rules, no pets. Laundry room first level with mailbox, 1 assigned parking space south side of the building. Many park on the grass in front of the building. Association approval in person only with money orders only for all fees and could take 15 to 30 days. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Solomon at 954-822-1900.